If you want to become fit and healthy in 2025, then you can include this recipe in your diet. Today's recipe is super healthy and tasty palak matar mushroom. In olive oil, add cumin seed, mustard seed, curry leaves, green chili, onion, and cook it well. Then add matar, mushroom, and grinded paste of fresh palak leaves. Cook it for some time so that palak is properly cooked, and then add haldi, coriander powder, garam masala, and salt. Add basmati rice in it, close the lid of the cooker and let it cook. This recipe is super healthy and amazingly delicious, so you should definitely try it.